something rather unexpected came up and it was going to prove challenging for us. And the machine to my right over there, that's our older machine. We ended up middle of the year last year having that machine down for 4 weeks because of the outdated equipment that's in there. And that's basically when I said, this is enough. We're not talking about this anymore. We're going forward with this. And we came up with the 6-bowl machine here. Ixonia Bank is definitely worth a hard look. If you look at someone up here in like manufacturing or distribution, absolutely, I would tell them to talk to Ixonia. I go to Tyson with a need, and probably a week or two after that, we've cut the purchase orders for this equipment. That's not a terrible exaggeration. It was very fast. That is how we try to form relationships with our customers, is we try to create a partnership. Ixonia Bank has done that for us, and they've done it very, very well. The speed with which that needed to happen, it kind of reflects on our industry as a whole. There is a need for us to set ourselves apart in the services we provide and the ability to turn high quantities of kits around in a very short amount of time. Whereas this machine right here, all it takes is a roll of plastic, and we have the ability to make that bag anywhere from 3 inches long to 7 or 8 inches long. Again, it goes back to the versatility of what we can deliver to our customers. The first time when we reached out to Ixonia Bank, we had come to a point in our business where we really needed to make a sizable investment and look for someone who was going to work with us not only on this, but on what the future held at that point, which we hoped was a lot. And so far, Ixonia hasn't disappointed. They've helped us a lot. Almost 10 years now that we've been with Ixonia, and then just with this last current project that you're seeing right here to my left. It wasn't, how do we say no? It was, how do we say yes?